In this video, we will look at the IAR error, no coupons available for use. This error occurs when the old document or coupon is not available to be exchanged or refunded. ARC recommends you process exchanges in your GDS. The exchange was created to demonstrate the error, coupons are not available. Some reasons the document may not be available for exchange include the old document was previously voided, refunded, or exchanged, the old document was part of multiple exchanges, there was a timing issue when ARC received the data file from the GDS, or the coupon was part of an ARUNC, Arrival Unknown Void segment. To see if a document or coupon was previously used, you can use the IAR LO Find Old Used functionality or Document Retrieval Service, DRS. Let's take a look in IAR. Starting with a new document, let's perform an exchange. From the Financial Details screen, scroll down to the Exchanges Old Document section and enter the 13-digit old document number. Click the Exchange All Coupons checkbox and then select the Add button. A message stating Error, no coupons available for use displays, which means the document being exchanged doesn't have any available coupons. I could go into the IAR LO functionality to see how the coupons were used. From my list of transactions, select the View Only tab. Select the LO Find Old Used Document radio button, enter the 10-character document number, and then select the Go button. IAR will return the old document. It will display one line indicating the ARC number and PED where the document was originally issued, and a second line to display the ARC number and PED where any of the coupons were refunded or exchanged, along with the amount of the document, the transaction type, and the new document number, if used in an exchange transaction. In addition to using the IAR LO functionality to view the history of the ticket number, I can also use DRS. ARC recommends that you reconcile your report daily. To learn more about ARC and its processes, visit the description below this video, or use the link in the description to sign up for the ARC Specialist training. Thanks for watching!